Hey folks, what's up? Mike here, Mike Duncan. Thanks for tuning in. And today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up a really simple blog post that you can share on social media pages, on Facebook, on Twitter, LinkedIn, whatever. Okay, this is specifically doing this training for my Lead Lightning team and any free lead system members that are having trouble using their affiliate links on social media. But anyone that's an affiliate has got an affiliate link for any offer, any business, any company can actually use this. Facebook particularly are getting quite crafty at the right now, and they don't like people posting, copy and pasting their affiliate links all over Facebook, in Facebook groups and things like that. It can be seen as rather a bit crude and a bit spammy, and it is understandable if you've got hundreds or thousands of people in a company that are using their affiliate link, their generic given affiliate link. It's very, the links are all almost identical. All there is a few little numbers or letters or your name at the end of each link that's differentiating them from each other. So it's understandable how Facebook are actually been able to build algorithms that will pick up on this kind of behaviour. So what I'm going to show you is how to create a really simple blog post using blogger.com, which is a free blog platform from Google that anyone actually can set up. All you need to do is go to blogger.com or log into your Google account, and I'll show you how to do that in just a second. But I just want to put a few things in place before I go through to the video. Posting in Facebook groups, posting your link in Facebook groups particularly, has got a bit of a negative people look on it quite negatively because because they think it's spam, it's crude, and it's not really marketing. But it does work. What doesn't work is you're spamming your link in hundreds of Facebook groups every day. What does work is being a bit creative with your posts. Don't just scream, shout, desperation, come and join me and make millions of dollars or anything like that. You need to be offering people something of value, so something that's going to help them, because let's be honest here, most people that are looking at your posts already have a business, so why on earth would they want to come and join you? So if you can offer them something that's going to help them in their business, they're more likely to have a look at what you've got to offer. Okay, and then once you've got a foot in the door, then you can start building a relationship with them. Okay, so don't spam in hundreds of groups every day. That will get, whatever link you use, that will get you flagged by Facebook. All you need to do is 10 to 20 groups a day and post in the same 10 to 20 groups every single day, 3 or 4 times a day. Okay, and any comments you get, any likes or anything, any sort of interaction with your post, respond to it. Okay, so if you get a like, say thanks for your like. If you get a comment, say thanks for your comments, can I help you with anything, and so on. And that will build your like a quality score with Facebook, because the more posts, the more comments you get, the more likely more people are going to see it. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to create a really simple blog post. I'm not going to go into all the intricacies that this platform has to offer, because it's quite an involved process. I'm just going to show you a really simple, scaled down way to create something that's going to jump out at people and make them want to find out more about you. So, as I say, you can go to blogger.com and set up your account, or as I do, I just go to Google. And just over in the right hand corner, I can click on there and it's got the Google Apps, and you get like a drop down menu, and you scroll down almost to the bottom, and then you got an icon for Blogger. So you just click on there, set up your account if you haven't already got an account. It will ask you one step. It will ask you if you want to buy a domain for your blog, you can skip that. You don't need a domain at this point. If you want to create a proper blog for yourself, then yes, maybe you can use get your own domain for it. That would make more sense. But if you just want to create a blog post and share that blog post, this is what you do. So you've created your free account, and then you come over and either click on create post or new post or first post, whatever you see. So I'm going to create my first post, a new post, and what you get is what looks like a Word doc with all the editing features at the top here. So now you're going to want to experiment with text sizes and colors, fonts, images, the sizes of images and things like that. So you want to play around with that a little bit yourself. Okay, but I've got an ad that I use, not an ad, a post that I use, because that's what you don't want to be mistaken that these posts that you're doing in Facebook groups, they're not ads, they are just posts. There's an ads are what you pay for with Facebook. So I've got a post that I used previously, and you're going to want a headline to start with. So this is going to be my headline. So you're going to post it onto this blank document here, and I'm going to make that a heading. I'm going to center it, and then I'm going to get a little bit more text from that ad. Okay, so I'm going to post that down there. I'm going to make that a subheading. Did this before. I don't know why it keeps doing that. Now let me try something else. Let's do that. Let's center it, and then let me try and make it into a subheading again. No, it's not happening, is it? Minor heading, normal. How weird. Okay, so what I'm going to do, let me try this. Just bear with me. I'll be with you any minute now. Let's try a little bit different text. I don't know why it keeps doing that. Make that into a subheading. See, that's changing the text again, but that's a little bit better. Okay, so let's see whether that will bold. Yeah, it's already bold. Do you know what? I want it as default. So I'm going to take that away, copy that bit of text that I wanted originally. I want it as default font, subheading. There we go, we're in business. Hey! So that's centered, and then I'm going to put my link. Okay, so I'm going to say click okay. I want to change the colour of that if it will let me. I'll change that to default font again, so see whether it'll do. Oh, it's done it. And then now I've got all my links are saved in Bitly, so I'm just going to come in and copy that link, and if you just come up here into the editor and you got where it says link there, if you click on there and then paste the link or wherever it is you want them to go to in where it asks you to put the web address, and then click OK. Now that is now a hyperlink. Okay, so click here to get your own version of this free lead system. Now, so it's changed the colour. Let me see if I can change it back. No, it's not gonna stand for it. Never mind. Okay, so now I'm going to post an image. Now you can add images. So if you go back up to the editor, you've got a little picture of a little, like, looks like a little photograph there. All you need to do is just click on that and find the image that you want to actually add to your blog. Now I've got, so you can bring them in from, you can add an image that's on your desktop, or from a URL, from your webcam, from your phone, you know, from wherever the images are, you can bring them into your blog. Okay, I've already got one because I've done a couple of blog posts before, and that's the image I'm going to use. Now you can come down here, if you click on there, you can change the size of the image, and I'm just going to have it as a large image. That's done. And then below that, I'm going to add a little bit more text. So let me just go and grab. Okay, this is another call to action. I'm going to make sure that's, highlight that. Bold it. I want it as the default font again. I'm not going to make that any larger than it is. And then I'm going to ask them again. Okay, so that's another call to action. I'm going to see whether it'll let me change the color, and then I'm going to get my link again from Bitly and click on where it says link in the editor, paste that link where it asks you to, click OK. Now that again now is hyperlinked, so you've got two links in this post now. Okay, so that looks pretty, I think that looks pretty good. Okay, you can mess around with this as much as you want, and now you want to save it and publish it. Now it has to be published. Now which one is it? It's got to be this one here. Okay, so if you just click on there, it'll open it up, and what you actually want to do is you want to get the permalink. So if you're over on your right hand side, you'll see where it says permalink. So you're going to open that up, you're going to copy that whole link. Now you can save that in Bitly or whatever other URL shortener you want to use. So you want to copy that into Bitly, so you haven't got that horrible link. You don't have to. And then you're going to come over to your group, to your page, or wherever you want to post this, and you're going to paste that link into the group. Did I copy that? Let me just go back here. So copy the link, come over to your Facebook page or group, paste that link there, and then it's gonna populate the image with a bit of text and just below it. Now you want to add a little bit of text, so you want everything to be congruent with what's on your blog post. So I'm going to copy just that little sentence there, and I'm going to put that right below that link. Now you need to copy, because this is your ad basically, this is your post. So you need to copy that bit of text along with that link, and then highlight the link, because now that this image is populated, that is a clickable image now. Okay, so you don't need that horrible looking link there. You just want to keep it looking nice and clean. So you've got this text with this image and a clickable image below, and now you're going to post it. So share that on your Facebook page, in your Facebook group, or wherever you want to share it. Okay, Now that's added. Now you've got that link, you've copied the link and you've copied that little bit of text. Now what I would do, I would save it either in a Word doc or in your notepad. So tomorrow you can just copy that and then paste it into whatever group you want to post it into. And then you can do that in your 10 or 20 groups. A couple of hours later, 2 or 3 hours later, you can come back and you can copy it again and post it into your 10 or 20 groups again. Okay, so you haven't got to keep creating new posts all the time. Now what happens when somebody clicks on this, it's going to take them to your blog post. Okay, so that hasn't actually worked out how I wanted it to, but it's fine. It's functional. I was hoping that these would have been centered. Okay, so you can go back into your blog post and edit it. Yeah, I can see it's not. So I need to go there, center that, center that, center that, and you've got your link down here. And center that. Okay, so you're going to go, and then you're going to go update, go back there, and then copy that link again. So copy that link again, go back over to there. I'm going to actually delete this one. So you're going to post that link once more. Post that link. Get your little bit of text that you want to go in there. That you want to go below your link. Copy the whole caboodle. Delete that horrible looking link. And then share it. Okay, now, so when they click on this now, that's better. They come to your blog post, okay, and they'll see attention, network and affiliate marketers. They've got a link here that they can click. It will take them to your lead capture page, your Facebook page, or wherever it is you want to send them, whatever link you've put in there, okay, and then you've got, again, a little bit more text and another link at the bottom there. Now this is a blog post, so people can leave you comments if they see this, if they like it. You could even put a call to action in there saying, like, leave me a comment below, or whatever you want to do. Okay. Now this is out there now for forever. This is a blog post, and you can use this anytime that you want. Send people to this anytime you want. Now that looks much better than just your bog standard Facebook post. Now if I was posting my affiliate link, my bog standard affiliate link, I would probably not be able to post on my Facebook page or in Facebook groups, because Facebook, the algorithms are just going to pick it up and mark it as spam. So that's just one of a few ways that you can actually get round having posting problems with your Facebook page. Now, if you're watching this in the Facebook group, in the Power Lead System Facebook group, then there won't be any affiliate links. If you're on my Facebook page, there are some links below this, and if you're watching it on YouTube, there are some links below this, because this is aimed primarily at my Lead Lightly members and Free Lead System members, so they can actually start generating and building our own email list by using the free methods of posting in Facebook groups. So if you want to find out what it is I do, if you want to find out exactly what the Free Lead System is, or Lead Lightning is, or even the power lead system, is just click the links that you see below and come and have a look, and see if we can do something. If we can help you in your business, then we will do. So I think that's about me. That's me all done and dusted, and thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next video.